Uzbillahi Minashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tribulus terrestris mother tincture optimizes the function of the urinary tract and the prostate of the male. It is a tonic for reproductive organs of the male. It improves the circulation of blood in that area. Tribulus mother tincture has a steroidal saponin. It enhances the libido in men. It is a homeopathic cure for impotence. Tribulus homeopathic mother tincture stimulates sexual desire in men physically and mentally. Result, self-confidence. It prolongs the intercourse, consequently cure premature ejaculation. On the mental plane, it increases the pleasure of the act. The saponin affects the sperm, it increases production of sperm, it improves quality of sperm, it enhances motility of sperm. It increases the survival time of the sperm. Tribulus helps in countering stress, depression, and nervousness. It fosters good mood. It should be considered as one of the primary remedies for any all diseases of the urinary tract, one of the best homeopathic cures for dysuria and the disease of prostate. Tribulus is a source of luteal which increase the level of DHEASO4 and testosterone in body. Testosterone is responsible for sex drive, bone mass, muscle strength, and production of red blood cells. It improves the overall health. The aphrodisiac property of Tribulus boosts energy in the cells of tissue and causes a release of male sex hormone luteinizing. It is a good homeopathic remedy for problems like low quality and quantity of sperms. Tribulus homeopathic mother tincture is a super effective remedy for impotence, libido loss male, prostatitis, kidney failure, CKD, and dysuria. It is a most effective for asthenospermia, azoospermia, hematospermia, oligospermia, teratospermia, premature ejaculation, and seminal infection. Dosage: take 20 drops of mother tincture in 1 glass of water 3 times in a day.